Hi, my name is Dion Duplessis, and I am a researcher at SWiP. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to create a username on Wikipedia. First, open your browser, as I have here. Then you can either search the word Wikipedia or enter the address in the address bar. You will land on this page. Select English. This is the Wikipedia main page and will look something like this. At the top right-hand corner, click on Create Account. Here, you will be asked for a username, a password, an optional email address, and the CAPTCHA security check. Anyone can make a Wikipedia account and you can choose any username you like. They even have an option to help you decide. Try to choose something anonymous to protect your own privacy. Next, enter your password and confirm your password. Then enter your email address. This is optional, but it is useful to receive updates from Wikipedia, such as when someone has made changes to an article you have contributed, any changes to edits you have made, or general updates from the Wikipedia community. Finally, enter the CAPTCHA as displayed on the screen. Then click on Create Your Account. Good luck and all the best with your journey on Wikipedia.